Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swija and I am super glad to see you on my channel. If you're new here, I make DIY videos for home decor, and if you love making them just like I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video, and without wasting a minute, let's get started. So I got this fall decor from dollar store. They were pretty vibrant color, but anyway I was going to paint them, so I just bought it. It was acorns, pine cones, and there were cute little pumpkins in it. Then I first started by seeing them, how was the quality. Then I figured out that they were pretty good quality acorns. They were pretty textured from the top. Even the pine cones, they were pretty small but very clean and tidy. So then I figured out the paints that I was going to use to paint my accessories for this centerpiece, and then I started to paint acorns at first. I left the top part just the way it was. Just painted the bottom in the pastel color just because I wanted them to be in a light color. And once it was painted, it was time to paint my pumpkins. Pumpkins, they were pretty vibrant colors, so I had to prime them in a white color and wait for it to get dry. Once they were dry, I started to paint them in a pastel color. I painted one in a green color, one in a white color, and the last one in a blue color. For pumpkin, I probably had to make 2 or 3 coats to make it look thicker. And once they were dry after the third or second coat, they were looking pretty textured and very well painted. And in the last step, I painted the stem in a brown color just to make it look a little more natural. And then I had this board for fall decor from dollar store as well. So it was kind of a tray which can hold few pieces of decor together. Then I had this garland from a long time from some other decor that I bought. I'm pretty sure it was from dollar store or Michael's, I'm not really sure. So I just put that in that decor piece just as a base, and it was pretty hard for me to fit them in the tray and put it in a shape, so I took my time to figure that out. I would suggest I think I could have made a tiny pieces of it and would have worked around it, but I wanted to keep it whole, so I had to work a little bit more on it. And then I spray painted the clear coat on all my accessories, including the pumpkin, so it can give it can have a little bit more shine on it. And then I placed them just the way I liked, and yes, this is how I made it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting on my video. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.